The plastic-eating shrimp in Mariana Trench. Eurythenes plasticus. Eurythenes plasticus is in kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Malacostraca, order Amphipoda, genus Eurythenes, species Plasticus. It was first found during an expedition to the Mariana Trench in 2014 and first described in 2020. It was the 9th species in the genus. It was collected at upper hedal depth of the Mariana Trench, located only at the Pacific Ocean. Eurythenes plasticus is a benthic scavenger.
Scientists named it Eurythenes plasticus because of plastic had infiltrated its stomach. They highlighted that plastic pollution is now so prevalent that even a new species of amphipod living nearly 7 kilometers below sea level has ingested plastic. Scientists found a 0.65 mm large microfiber, 80% similar to PET, which is polyethylene terephthalate, in one of the 4 individuals. PET is a substance found in a variety of commonly used household items and one of the top 5 most prevalent synthetic plastic polymers produced and discarded globally. Microplastic consumption by a juvenile indicates that scavenger amphipods are potentially ingesting microplastic throughout their life, which could pose acute and chronic health effects. Plastic pollution has managed to find its way to the bottom of the trench. An effort to raise awareness and push for action, they decided that it was fitting to name this newly found creature after the very substance that contaminates it. Because of this decision, plastic have officially entered the taxonomic record as a new species. Dr. Alan Jason, head of the research mission, said, "We need to take immediate action to stop the deluge of plastic waste into our ocean. Every minute of every day, at least 1 truckload of plastic waste is dumped into our ocean, equivalent to 1,440 truckloads each day." A 2015 study by Katinka Day, No Plastic in Nature policy manager at WWF Australia, said 8 million tons of plastic is dumped into the world's ocean every year, with 53% originating from Southeast Asia. Once there, it begins to break down into very smaller pieces, become microplastic, subsequently eaten by animals. It is imperative that we continue to fight for sustaining and protecting all life in our ocean and on land from the emergency threat of plastic pollution. Eurythenes plasticus be the only and last plastic species in the taxonomic record. Without substantial global change to the life cycle of plastic, from reducing the rate of plastic production to improving waste management, plastic and microfiber will continue to be transported to the deep sea and be ubiquitous in the hadal food chain for the foreseeable future. That is why WWF is quick to respond to this situation.
WWF is calling for a global treaty on plastic pollution after plastic particles were found inside a new amphipod discovered. In 2019, WWF has launched a worldwide petition which has been signed by more than 1.6 million people across the world so far, encouraging people to call on their government to commit to working towards an international legally binding treaty to reduce plastic waste. KfW, European Investment Bank, EIB and French Development Agency EFD intend to provide €2 billion by 2023 in order to reduce the amount of plastic waste discharged into the world's ocean. The focus is on projects in the fields of wastewater treatment and waste disposal, as well as rainwater management, which prevents plastic waste from being washed into the rivers and oceans during heavy rainfall.